To add a prepaid card to your Cash App, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Next, click on the profile icon at the top of the screen, which will take you to the profile section of the app. Under the Account and Settings section, you will see the option to link banks. So click on that. From there, select the Link Debit Card option and enter your card number, expiry date, and zip code. Then click the Link Card button. This should link your card to the app. If that doesn't work, you can try clicking on the No Card option and then selecting the bank account associated with your prepaid card and linking that account instead. Once you've successfully linked your card, you can use it with the app. The process is quick and easy to follow, and should only take a few minutes to complete.